Hi, I'm Cole. Before you get started with Quadratic, I want to give you a few tips and tricks. Quadratic is a familiar spreadsheet on the surface. You can still edit the grid, write formulas, and take other manual spreadsheet actions like you would in Google Sheets or Excel. What makes us different is our native AI assistant, support for code, and direct connections to your databases and SaaS tools. You don't need to know how to code because our fine-tuned AI models can write complex SQL and Python that allows even non-technical users like myself to build comprehensive dashboards like this one, allowing anyone to understand their data in seconds. To get started, you'll first want to put some data on your sheet. You can add a live database connection here. You can open up the AI assistant and ask for real web data from online, or just drag and drop a CSV, Excel file, Parquet file, PDF, or image. Now I'll just ask the AI to help me understand my data. I'll paste in a simple prompt here. It's going to write some Python code to create a chart so I can get insights from my data, like how our in-store sales seem to have spiked right at the beginning of 2023. The chart's interactive, so I can hover over values, zoom, and even click into the code to see what Python I wrote. I can also edit this code and run it, seeing the updates live. The chart is also tied to this data table, so anytime you edit the data, the chart updates too. This is especially useful when you have direct database connections, so you can build repeatable analyses that refresh daily. And remember, it's still a full spreadsheet. You can undo any actions, add formatting, and even collaborate live with your team. Lastly, please leave us feedback. You can submit your comments and questions here. Our team looks at every inquiry as it helps us build a better product for you.